Human relationships are a way to understand the true value of code, who maintains that code and why we trust them to maintain it. While this might seem strange at first, it's not so different from how we think about valuing cities, infrastructure, and other systems of human complexity. The author Jane Jacobs offered a similar approach in her 1961 book, The Death and Life of Great American Cities, where she criticized the contemporary 1950s approach to urban planning. According to Jacobs, urban planners treated cities as static objects, considering how they should be developed only at the time of creation, rather than continuously revising their plans according to how people use them. The urban ministry practitioner Douglas Hall describes this as the cat and the toaster problem in his book of the same name. Douglas said that churches, neighborhoods, cities, and cultures are complex and interrelated living social systems. They're like cats. But, as he puts it, we've grown accustomed to thinking of our social contexts not as living systems, but as objects we can easily measure and control, like a toaster. But the problem is that we still tend to think and talk about software as a static object, taking it out of context. It's why we have this myth that software is zero marginal cost, ignoring the complex human interdependencies that are required to maintain it. We treat software like toasters instead of cats.